And welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today, we have the Mullings clan, and they're going to tell us a little bit about themselves. Let's go! So who is this? We have Brielle here, and who is this?
Brittany.
We have Brittany.
My name is William Mullings, and I am 7 years old. I attend Bel Air Prep School, and my favorite thing to do is play football.
Nice.
I am Brianna Mullings. I am 12 years old. I attend the Chickpeas Preparatory School, and my favorite hobbies are playing netball and baking.
Baking, people! That's what we're going to do today. We will be baking. What are we making today? Chocolate cupcakes, right? Now stay tuned for all this goodness that will be happening in Moya Moy's kitchen. So William, tell me about the ingredients that you'll be using today.
Powder.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
So William, tell me about the ingredients that you'll be using today.
Flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, and cocoa powder.
Alright, and Ashley, what are the liquid ingredients?
1 egg, yogurt, vegetable oil, milk, and vanilla.
Yes, now let's get into it. So Ashley, what are the tools that we'll be using today?
A bowl, muffin tin, spatula, and a whisk.
Very good.
Let's first wash our hands.
Alright, let's go.
It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you understand. So we wash it, clean, scrub, scrub.
Now that our hands are washed, let us get into the goodness. Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, Captain!
Yay!
Now the first thing that we're going to do is prepare our muffin tin. Are you ready, Brittany?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Now William, what's the first thing that you're going to do?
We're going to prepare our dry ingredients.
Alright, let's go. Flour. What's that, William?
Cocoa powder.
Alright. Salt.
Baking soda.
And sugar. Now what are we going to do with all these ingredients, William?
We're going to whisk it.
Yes, let's go. Right.
This is how your dry ingredients should look like.
Looks good. Now Brianna, what are we going to do next?
We're going to set aside our dry ingredients and get ready for our wet ingredients.
Alright, let's go.
First, our egg, yogurt,
That's fine.
vegetable oil, vanilla.
Alright, hold on, Brittany. Hold on.
Now for our final ingredient, milk.
Good job. Now let's whisk it.
This is what your wet ingredients should look like. Now we're going to make a well in our dry ingredients to pour our wet ingredients. Now we're going to pour our wet ingredients. Now let's come back.
people, our mixture is ready and we're going to bake. Let's bake it.
Now it's time to fill our muffin cups.
So guys, our mixture is ready and we're ready to fill our muffin cups. Now one thing that you need to know is that you're not going to fill your cups to the brim. You're going to put about 3/4 mixture in each muffin cup. Now let's go, guys.
Alright, let's go, baby. Good job.
A little bit more ready.
Let's bake it! Now we're all done! Yum, yum! Yum, yum!